Hello student, in this video we are going to understand two more new things, that is first of all how to create the shortcut and what is shortcut, and second how to change the wallpaper of the desktop. Okay, so let's we start this two new topic. We'll start with our first topic, that is how to create a shortcut. So for that, what we have to do, first of all we'll go with the theory section, okay, so that we can understand that what is shortcut and how to create a shortcut. Then we'll do practically. So student, now we'll understand that what is a shortcut. So a shortcut is an icon that can be used to open an application directly by double clicking it instead of selecting it from the start menu. That means you can use this shortcut icon to directly open your desirable application without going into it or without searching it from all programs. Okay, so you can create your shortcut directly on the desktop. So whenever you want, instantly it will be available on your desktop. You can see some images are there on this presentation, which will show you the shortcut of this music, shortcut of Google Chrome, and shortcut of Internet Explorer. Student, you can see that one arrow is there in the left corner of a shortcut. You can see a jump arrow is there that will show you, or it will mark you that it will be a shortcut of a given application. Okay, now you will understand what is the step to create the shortcut. So that is, first step is to click the start button and click all program. Okay, there's two things you have to do. What, first of all you have to click on the start button and then click all programs, and then you have to place your pointer on the application and then you have to press what, right click. Okay, whichever application that you want to create a shortcut on the desktop, you have to click right click of the mouse on that application. Then a drop down list will appear. The second step is what, from that drop down list you have to select send to. Okay, you have to select what, send to, and where you have to send to the desktop. So you will get one more option over there, desktop create shortcut. That option you have to select. Okay, you can see certain images also there while performing practically. This is the some dialog box appear on your window when you will do it to create a shortcut. So as I did theoretically, as we did, what we have to do, first of all you have to click the start menu, then you have to go on all programs, then you have to select any one application that you want to create a shortcut. As you click, what you have to click, right click of the mouse. Okay, right click of the mouse, you have to click it, and then you will get this one more dialog box. It will having a option of send to, and as you click on send to button, you will get one more box. It will show you the desktop create shortcut. Understood? Now student, the same work we will do practically. Now student, we will do practically the same thing. First of all, what we have to do, you have to click start menu. Okay, then you have to click what, all programs. Okay, again I'm showing you. First of all you have to click start menu. Okay, then you have to click all program. Okay, as you click all program, you will get your all application. Okay, now you have to decide that which application you want a shortcut on your desktop. So think that I want this window media player on my desktop. So I have selected this application, Windows Media Player. Okay. Then what you have to do, you have to click right click of the mouse on this application. So I am doing right click. So as you click a right click on this application, you will get one box, in that you have to select send to. You have to select what? Send to. As you select send to option, it will show you one more box which is having an option of desktop create shortcut. This one, desktop create shortcut, this you have to select it. So we'll do that. So I'm selecting this option, desktop create shortcut. So we have clicked, and let's see whether it is created or not. Yes, you can see this is the window media player, and you can see that one arrow is there at the left corner, jump arrow. It will show that this icon or this application is a shortcut. So I hope student you have understood very well that how to create a shortcut and place it on your desktop. Now student, we will understand one more topic, that is what is wallpaper and how to change the wallpaper of our desktop. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will go on the theory. Okay, now student, now we understand what is a wallpaper. What is a wallpaper? So the background picture displayed on the desktop is called the wallpaper. Whatever you are having image on your desktop, okay, whatever screen you are having, either it is of any image, either it is of any writing part, or maybe of any your own picture, these all comes under the background picture that you have placed on your desktop. This is only called as a wallpaper. So today in this practically we will do how to change the wallpaper. Okay, so step for changing the wallpaper is what you have to first of all right click on the desktop and select the personalize option. Okay, this option you have to select it. First of all, what you have to do, a right click on the desktop and then personalize option you have to select from that box only. Like you can see in this PPT, the personalization window appear, okay, as you click on it. Now the second step is click the desktop background and select the new wallpaper image from the available list. If it is you are having this available list of any background, so you can select it as given in the figure. You can see desktop background is there. You have to click it on it. Then you have to select the wallpaper from the available list. Okay. And third step is what? Then click the save changes button and close the window, because that is also necessary. It will be saved on the screen as you click save changes. Okay, otherwise it may changes. So that is why you have to click on the button save changes at last when you place your wallpaper. So now student will do practically the same thing, changing of wallpaper. I hope you have understood what is wallpaper. Okay, so wallpaper is the picture that you place on your desktop. Now we will do practically. So whatever we have gone through in the PPT, the same thing we have to follow over here, all the steps. First of all, do right click of the mouse on the desktop. You will get one box like this. Then you have to select personalize. Okay, now you have to go on with this desktop background. Desktop is given, no, desktop background, this one, this option you have to select. As you can see, my background is green in color, so we will perform the step to change my background. So I have to click on desktop background. As I click on this, I will get so many options. This is called the already available list for the desktop. Right now I have clicked on this, that is why it is on my desktop as a wallpaper. I can select any one of that. So I will select this one. Okay, so I will just check this box. Okay, and you can see that automatically the background wallpaper is change it. It will not remain as it is until I will do with save change. Okay, so I can select any option from this available list. Like you can see that whenever I click on any photo, it will directly display on my desktop so that you can see lively also. Look, yes, but at the end you have to click this button, save change. So I hope you have understood how to select the desirable wallpaper that you want among the available list. Then you have to, like I have selected this image, then at the end you have to click on save changes. Okay, now you have to cross this window. So now you can see that I have changed my wallpaper. So I hope student you have understood how to change the wallpaper practically also and theory part also. So student, perform this practically, and thank you for watching this video.